don't forget everyday maintenance. So Megan's talking about, emergency maintenance there, your hot water system blows or blows a gasket.
You're always going to say that now. It's in your head.
Exactly. I'm going to question, do they have gaskets? I know they have valves, but anyway, they could blow a valve.
Shows how long I've been in the industry.
There's everyday maintenance, right? Paint windows. If you got timber windows, they need to be painted. Mm-hmm. If the exterior of your house is weatherboard, it needs to be painted. If you've got gutters, you need to clean those gutters out regularly and get all the leaves out of them. And if you're not going to do it, you need to get somebody up there to do it. If you've got external timber work, you need to do Estepol or whatever. Yeah, keep it oiled.
This is all preventative maintenance, so it doesn't
absolutely.
add up.
The ongoing maintenance of any home. As remember when we interviewed the building inspector, Peter Mazier, one of the early podcasts, go back and listen to that one. It's fascinating about, things that can go wrong with buildings. But he said that the minute it's finished being built, it starts deteriorating. So once you buy a property, you will be on the hook to keep it up to scratch.
Absolutely.
You should. Anyway.